What's up everybody, JC with Stoner Car Care. We've all seen the fun videos of people coating their entire car of an even sheet of foam using a foam cannon. Today we're going to show you how to properly set up, use, and maintain your foam cannon. Like and subscribe for more videos. To start, we're going to be talking about the three main parts of a foam cannon. And just to clarify, we're talking about a foam cannon here that uses a pressure washer, not a foam gun that uses a low pressure garden hose. The first part is the handle or trigger that is going to connect to your actual pressure washer. The second is the bottle that holds the mixture of the soap and the water. And then finally, where all the magic happens, is the upper assembly. And what this does with this dip tube is mixes a adjustable ratio of solution, pressure, and air to make that thick foam that we're used to. And then finally, this adjustment tip lets you fan out or make a more direct spray with your foam. So to assemble your foam cannon, you're going to have your bottle, again, that's going to have the warm water and your soap solution. The upper assembly that has a dip tube that will actually extract that solution. Basically just tighten that on there. And finally, you have your handle, which is going to connect to your pressure sprayer. Makes your assembly like that. Again, your three control mechanisms you have is your trigger to spray. You have this aeration knob that basically switches the ratio of how much air versus how much solution is going to go out into your foam. And then finally, the aperture, which makes that go either more fan or more direct jet. And those are the three controls you have. So now we have our pressure washer hooked up. We have a few ounces of warm water in this bottle, and then you're gonna use any kind of high foaming car wash or foam cannon ammo, as we like to call it, into your bottle. Always read the directions for the recommended dilution ratios. For this product, we're using about 2 to 3 ounces for a full-size car wash. Finally, as we did before, put your upper assembly onto that bottle, connect your trigger handle, and then we simply connect to our, wherever that is, pressure sprayer. And you're good to go. So now we've finished washing this car with a pressure sprayer and the foam cannon. For proper maintenance, we recommend breaking it down and rinsing off any residual chemical residue and any water left in there, as those things being stored like that can accelerate the aging, promote buildup, and just break down the performance of your foam cannon over time. So simple care and maintenance, now that it's been disconnected, obviously, you just wash these separate parts in some clean water, with some warm, clean water here. If you really want to get after it, you can use some deionized or reverse osmosis water to make sure there's no chemicals in there. But just make sure they get nice and clean and then have a nice place to drain off and dry. And just do that with all these components. We also recommend storing these components separately so they're ready to go for the next time you want to wash your car. Again, sometimes the bottle can hold a little bit of residue. Make sure that's been rinsed out with clean water, and you allow that to dry upside down so it's not pooling any water or chemicals. That's it. Make sure you keep them in a safe spot. All right, that's it for the tips and tricks to use and maintain your foam cannon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.